All right, guys, so I am going to switch out the lock on the hatch here of the truck cover. These things have been giving me one hell of a time. The old key is so worn out. Probably can't see, it's a light. We need a light. There we go. There we go, that's better. So, let's get this out of the way. All right, this key right here is worn out. It's the only key I have for this thing. It's twisted, it's bent, it is gnarled up. I mean, every time I lock this, I'm worried I'm not gonna get it open again. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace these. Actually, not this part. This part is an extra. It's this part up here that we're replacing, this mechanism, the part that bolts screws into there. So, with all those technical terms used, right? I know, so professional. I know exactly what I'm doing at all times. But I've got my trusty Wera ratcheting screwdriver, which I love. I will tell you more about this guy in a, what should we call it? I was thinking earlier maybe Tools Tips Tuesdays? Tip Tool Tuesdays? Tip Tool Tuesdays. I don't know. Tips, tools on Tuesday. They'll be short. Not like short as a video, like a short, it'll just be a short regular video, you know, of so many minutes. So, step one was loosen the set screw, which I've done right here. I've loosened the set screw. Ugh, dropping things. So the set screw is loosened. This set screw here, I've backed it out. It's a 1/4 inch, which is perfect because that's what the screwdriver is. So I just used that, backed it out. It's still stuck, so I'm guessing I'll probably need to, I'm probably gonna have to grab a hammer or some sort of prying device and see if I can just kind of coax it off. Here, let's go find what we need. Everything is buried deep. Luckily, we've got a pry bar accessible. The hammer is a little, you know, there's a hammer. If I need it, there's a hammer in the truck. So I'm gonna start with this pry bar. Let's put you guys back over here. Trying to pry this off. Oh, yep. It was just a little rust. So this will go back on the new one, which I dropped down here. Got a tape measure. I want to find center to center of these holes is about 1.5, slightly strong. And I just want to see how that compares to this 1.5, slightly strong. Perfect. They are universal. They weren't lying. All right. See? That's cool. Got all my bits in here. Unfortunately, it does not have all the bits I use, since I use quite a few different ones. So now, I'm gonna unscrew this. I'd like to keep this just in case the new one doesn't come with one. I'm not sure if it does. It doesn't look like it does, so don't lose that. Not seeing any writing. Nothing is saying up. Since the key inserts horizontally and not vertically, and you just turn it. Well, the reason I was checking that, because if if it was vertical, you might probably want to have the key oriented in the same direction. That way, when you're going from one side to the other, you don't have to flip your key around. That's what's going to determine. So this one needs to flip up. This part needs to flip, needs to go from here to open. Lock, unlock. Right turn, lock. Left turn, unlock. I don't see any gaskets. Reinsert. Use the new screws. I hope they're long enough. They are shorter than the others. Look at this. They might be this, I think they're the same threading, so they're quite a bit shorter. And let's see, and actually, where's the other one? Looks like those are the same distance, these parts. So I think I might use the old screws. No, I think the new ones will be fine. Flip the operation. Make sure that this is in the right direction. Insert. And there we go. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Put this other one on. Here we go. We must have the lever. So when it's up, it'll be like that. This way gets me a little. We'll go back the way it's supposed to. I'll take the bit out, take the driver out. Horizontal. Tightening. Okay. Now, before doing the other one, let's test it. Sorry about that. Before doing the other one, let's test this and see how we did. Okay, you guys stay there so you can see from the inside. I'm going to be out here. Here we go, put this a little closer to where it's happening. The moment we've all been waiting for. Yep, it works. It is a little tight, but this cap does not fit great. So we're gonna call this a success. I'm gonna do the other one. I'm not gonna film it because that would be pointless. So thanks for watching. I hope this video wasn't terrible because it's dark, the lighting is awful. We're filming on the iPhone and not the real camera. And I'm tired. So, I keep saying so. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys next time.